What's good? What's good, gang? It's your boy King of Gaming, and we back for another video. Today we'll be reacting to a video called "Realistic Boiling Water Simulator" RBWR Unit Startup for Guide for Noobs Roblox. It's 20 minutes.
So, as you may probably know about the 1.4.2 update, Unit 1 has changed a lot, but functionality is still the same. Almost. Also, I won't be using a guide for this again because I don't care.
Me too. But I don't use no guide. Yeah, that's what I use. It's on the guide. It has changed a lot. Oh, sorry. Turn it off. Turn it off. Normal. Startup load is normal. 30, dang. That's very not. That's not even that's temperature is low. That needs to be minimum 105 to 110. No steam. Water, fuel, the rocket fuel, look good. They are good. Position the rods up to for it to remove that warning low thermal power. Position the rods up and the preheat are off. Yeah, I think the preheat off here. What is one shutdown? Turn off. One shutdown cooler pipe. Oh wow, we have a lot of points. Much more. Yeah, turn it off. Turn on Sage. Turn on one jet. One steam jet. Nah, that's not gonna work because it needs turbine to run. But still keep it on. I would use like multiple polishers, but one polisher is good. Why is there hot water draining? What is it doing? Yeah, good. The speed is going up. It doesn't matter if it's off, because when it's off. It doesn't matter, when it's on, because it needs turbine. When turbine is running, then it can run to help the turbine. 40%. I would minimally use like 35% for the texture, but good. Oh, now Max, he is putting it through. Low IPR. Yeah, we need to wait. Yeah, low IPR. I'm sorry, man. Low IPR. He can't just start making power already. Oh wow, he's not making power. He's negative power. He needs power, not needs. He needs power. I think Unit 2 is supplying it. IPR is not going up for him. Sad. Average positioning, you gotta pull them all to make them all go at the same speed. So balance it. That picture is mega mad because I barely view. 40%! Wow. IPR is going up. IPR is going up. Going up slowly. 4 minutes in. Oh, use cooling for those. The regular temperature is 200, I think, 87. Yeah, 287. Oh, wow. What's going on with this average positioning? That's crazy. I don't know what's going on with the average positioning. Yeah, power's going up. I'm getting mad by that sound. Ooh, Reddit's calling you. No? What? What happened then? %, crazy. Going down, good. It needs to save from a 60% to a 70%. Okay, nice. Auto control I'll make it easy. Turbine on. Turbine main inlet on. Turbine main inlet on. Oh, steam is still going up. That's good then. Is good, but he should put that at 40, not 60. Turbine vibration goes up, it's vibrating a lot. There's also a warning. There's also to alert you if the turbine is vibrating a lot. Now gotta put it up or the steam is gonna go too high and you gotta press steam relief. The radioactive things are gonna go out. You're gonna say radioactive shrimp. After this, I'll give somebody a shout out to my channel. That's what I'm talking about. That's a turbine. Yeah, high vibration. 50, that's crazy. This game has telephones for long distance communication. When I play this game, bro, it always overshoots and I get mad. I get mad always when it overshoots. Now, bro, he's focusing on that. It's like his main goal. 7,000? Wow. Oh wow, it's now going up. Thing. Why's that slow? Alpha does it fast. Oh, medium. $66. 67. Yeah. Oh, bro, how is it going this slow? I know it's at slow mode, but yeah, finally he realized. Nah, bro, It's going even slower. What is he doing? Just let it overshoot, then it's gonna come back. What is he doing? One year I'll be 60 years old. Then I'll not have to see this one day. I'll retire, then I'll not have to see this. Oh, one day I will see this, but I'll never forget the day I saw this. Cause this video is taking more than my time I spend on much thing. Because I know what I'm talking about. Because if you look, I've already recorded a long time, like 12 minutes ago. I don't know how long he's gonna stay here, waiting for this dawn turbo to reach 3,600 RPM. I don't know what is happening. Hurry your butt up, cause I'm not in the mood. That was a nice song, right? Yeah. I know that was the right song. So y'all better subscribe, like, and comment. You better do it. What is this? Nah, I'm really mad. Finally! Let's see it. Finally. Is internet valve going up? What's it going down? Steam pressure. Steam pressure is not supposed to go down. Only if this turbine is going up. It's not supposed to go down. What? Trojan. His name is Trojan. Why do these guys use auto control? How they use manual? Manual is best. Ooh, not bad. Get all these pumps started. But you gotta turn on those things first. Yeah? This thing is going good. %, on both ones. You can put it to 29.9% and do not set off the alarm. No, you can't put it 100. Yeah, you can put it at 100. I think so. You can put it at 100. he could put it at 100 because he has what do you call it? He has turbine running, so. Yeah, 30% is roughly the right number. The temperature is slowly going up on the reactor form. How much power is it? Oh, 400 megawatts. Crazy how people made this game. Crazy. What are they doing? I don't know what rod mode is or reactor mode. I just know what to do. My editor is so confused what he's doing. Wow. Wow. It's an imbalance. For real, it's an imbalance. Healed auto controllers or is he did he fix reactor? What are you doing? Going up! It's going up! Oh damn! Yeah, that's what I would do actually. That's what I would do for real. That's what I would do. Peep peep. Going down. Finally! He's working with the actor. He was getting me mad. Like, why is he not working with the actor? Make sure I'm recording. Because if I'm speaking this much for 20 minutes and I'm realizing I'm not even recording, I'm gonna be mad. Drink soda then. Because soda is my life. Coca-Cola. Pepsi is like one of the worst things ever to be invented. I also like Fanta and Sprite. But Pepsi? Let's call it Pepsi Come. I'll put it at like 31%. 31%? Come on. Keep doing it. I don't know why he's putting it at 10. It needs to be powered high voltage for the reactor temperature to go up. Literally one day, somebody saying he's literally doing this. I don't know what he's saying. 10, 1010. Wow. 1.7, yeah. Cell phone, Nokia. Where is it? So what is it doing? Okay, so y'all, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!